Hi everybody, we're back with more Revit training. This is Robert here. We're going to look at that kiosk that I stopped in the last assignment, and I said I want to try to make it parametrically. So these are parameters I've got set up, and we're going to see if we can make this guy work with parameters. So first things first, we're going to create an extrusion here. And I'm going to set work plane. And we're going to use that one, that name, front, center, back. So we're going to say OK here. So now let's go in and add our pick line. Use the pick line command. Pick this one, and this one. Now let's extend the intersect. Close these off. We may get some parameters. I don't think we're going to get them all because I think. Okay, now let's do a fillet arc here. Okay, radius, let's go 1.4, 16 inches. Probably should have did a foot, but let's go with this. Now let's do an offset here, 4 inches. I had a lot of trouble with this. Oh, it's working now, okay. Getting these all crazy lines at first. Here, and there. So now I'm going to give this a start. I'm going to finish it and give it a start extend. Let's say, let's go 4 and -4. Let's go see what's going on in our 3D view. Okay, so there's our start of one of our tubes. Okay, so now we're going to go into the reference level here, select this guy here, and then he did a rotate here, place center point, this is there, and we're going to say 90. Enter. There we go. Let's go back into the 3D view here. Let's join some geometry. Doing that and that one, and there you go. So now let's go back into our front elevation. Actually, I want to go back and see if we can flex. Go back to my front elevation and let's try to flex here. So we've got our height. Let's go change it to 10. Okay, we've got our width. Let's change it to 8. So those do flex. Okay. That. But it's not going to flex when we get around here, unfortunately. Otherwise, we have to reset those parameters. I may try to do that, see if that'll work. Let's go into our reference level now. Since we know we're flexing, once again, we're going to rotate it. Place center point, which is there. Again, 90 degrees. Enter. Okay, now join geometry to these two pieces. Okay, now they're joined together. So let's go back into our front elevation here. Now let's go ahead and create. Let's create a window here. So we're going to have to go in now and create a void extrusion. And so now I'm going to go into my set and I want to pick a work plane here. Okay, let's pick this. Now let's go and create offset here, 4 inches. Pick line. 4. Oh shoot, see that? That's what I couldn't get. There you go. Gotta be careful, I guess. Oh, once again, try that again. There you I'll just draw a line here. It's right about there. And that this is just 4 feet. They don't really want it to be 4 feet, maybe 36, 3. Let's see, 3'6" is kind of what they do in the U.S. Oh, okay, let's go with 4, because the base is going to be part of that too. So now let's clean this up, these edges. And finish it. In the 3D view here, and let's cut. Select it. We want to cut it, so go cut, select this and this. And there you got a hole in there now. Okay, I'm sorry, didn't get it. Go to reference level and see what's going on here. Oh, okay, pull it back a little bit so we can actually cut through there. Not cutting. Okay, now let's cut it. Got this one and this. Okay. So now let's go back into our front elevation here. And I want to do like a little cover here, so let's go create extrusion. Okay. Pick line. Here. Here to here. Sustain these two intersect. Finish that. 3D view, what's we got? Okay, so now we might want to push that out. Actually, let's do 1/6 here. And then join it. Okay, moving along. So there's our guy here. So let's go into our reference level again. I think we needed a base in here, so we can just go create extrusion. There. Finish that. Go look in our front view. And we can align this to this. So if you didn't know how to do this in Imperial, this is a way to do it in Imperial as opposed to him using metric on his. But okay, so now let's get this front part here. Little ledge in here. So I had issues with this in the reflect, so this would be a good chance to test it out. So I'm going to go create. I'm going to create another extrusion here. And then we're going to go set work plane. And I'm going to OK here, and I'm going to pick this. I'll create my extrusion. Make this about 3 inches. Actually, yeah, I want to go to there. Because that's where, let's see if I can just align this to here and lock it. And let's do the same with this and lock it. Okay. We're going to go 1/6 here. That's the top. Actually, it shouldn't be. Yeah, let's go 1/6. Finish. Okay, see what we got in 3D view. Okay, actually, let's push this back to 1. Yeah, let's make that 1. And then I want to join this geometry together. All this is joined together. I'm going to join this with this, see, is it joined? Join these two together. Now let's go into our front elevation and see if we can flex this guy, the width. Okay, so let's say 8. Now let's say 7. Okay, there you go. So that's working pretty good. So I'm gonna go back to, let me go to my 3D view. Okay, so now we've got some more stuff to do here. We got that flexing right and everything. So I'm gonna just drop that back. I'm gonna undo that back to what we've been working with here. So now let's go back into our front elevation here. Okay, now I want to go to the right now, because we need to get the void. We got to open this up. So let's go to the right view, and I'm going to put this in hidden line. We want to create void extrusion, and I'm going to pick line here, and I'm going to select this one, these lines right here, and finish. Now I'm going to go back to my 3D view, and there it is over there. Boy, let me go on the reference level. So, okay, wow. Okay, now what happened there? I didn't pick the right reference plane, but we can do here. We can just pull this out. Actually, let's just drag it out here. Now, actually, I'm gonna do this the right way. Just go back. Let's just undo this back here. Yeah, see, wrong plane. I'm gonna just cancel that. Yes. Now I'm gonna go back into the, let's go in the right view. This one. So now, I'm gonna create extrusion, void extrusion, and I wanna set, did I forget to do this? I want to click and pick it, and I want to pick this, yes, that. And then I'll pick line. I must didn't get it, folks, sorry. Go here, here. And then I want to finish this. I don't know what that line is up there, but I'm not going to worry about it this trip around. Oh, I know what it is. So I'll go to my reference level. And where is it? There it is. So now I want to do is push this back to like here. Yep. And then I want to grab this guy and I'm going to rotate him 90. Then I'm going to take this one, I'm going to just mirror him over. I'm going to pull it over in here, actually. Then I'm going to mirror him. Oh, see, I lost it. These things are very hard to keep up with. Where did it go? Where is it? There they are. So you can tab to it. The best way to find it, though, really, is to go into 3D view. There's one. Oh, come on, guy. Sorry, folks. Got a brain fart here. Tab. There it is. So I'm going to grab this one and just rotate him 90. Place. Some point there. 90. I could have just mirrored the damn thing. So there we go. So let's go on our 3D view, and we should have openings here. Yeah, actually, let's do this in shaded view so we can kind of see what's going on here. Shaded. Okay, so there's our guy. Now we got to close these openings up. So that's simply go into my, let's go on the left view this time. Let's create a, this is going to be a hidden line. Let's create a solid extrusion. You want to pick a plane. It'll be this. You want to pick a line. Okay, I'll fix that later. Got extrusion in issues, but we can fix that. Let's finish it. Let's see what's happening in 3D. Uh-oh, wrong 3D. Sorry. Okay. So now we've got this at 160. This should have been 0 maybe. Let's see, 0. Okay. I'm sorry. 4. -4. Nope. Not sure how far. Oh no, 4 feet. It's inches, man. -4 should be negative. Okay, now let's go into our reference level. There it is. We rotate this the same way. We only just need those two sides. We'll go here, center, place it there. 90 degrees. Oh my God, yeah. Nope, wrong way. I want to undo that because we don't have to do that. We can just go mirror this guy here. And then we'll rotate this one 90. Oh, I probably could have said -90. I think, yeah, I could have. So now we've got this guy. It might work. I think I got it fixed here. So let's go into our 3D view now. Okay, what we want to do now is join this geometry on the sides here. Join this one and this one. Okay. So there we have it here. I'm going to join this as well. I don't know if I did. Join the base and these and this. So I think we got it, folks. There's our Kiosk Parametric. Let me see if I can flex this guy widthwise. Let's go with 9. Yes, it flexes. But we don't want 9 because the other side doesn't flex. But we can do some little minor adjustments here. I don't know. But that's how you do this thing parametrically. We can do the height. So we got a few parameters in there, but not all. Again, let me just see if we can do some more flexing here. Let's go with height. We can do height, I think. Let's go with 10 feet. Okay. Now I'm going to undo that. And I'm going to see if how this is going to work in the project. So now what we can do is just add some material to this thing. So I'm going to just tab it, grab it all, and go into my material box here. It don't matter what we do, we can do is change just about anything. Let's go with, come on. Taking a minute. Sorry, folks. About. time. Let's say let's do blue. Something blue in there. I'll just go in here to my libraries here. Let's just go with something really cool. Let's go with this soft green. Just push that over there. Get over there. Okay, I want to go graphics. I want to use rendered appearance, which would be that. Apply. Okay. Uh-oh. Let's see, rendered appearance, realistic. Cancel that. Guess it's green. That's the consistent colors. So here I want to grab these again just to get the material right. Oh, I don't even have it in there. Sorry. Apply. Go to graphics here. Appearance here. That's what it would look like. There you go. So now let's load this into my project. Now we have this kiosk that has parameters and we can do things with it. Okay, I don't know why it's coming in like that, but oh, I have this consistent colors. Let's do realistic here. Okay, but anyway guys, that's our kiosk with parameters. Well, I don't want it that color, so let's just go into consistent colors, shade it. Yeah, let's go here and let's take it and we can go here and we can change the properties for the edit types, and then we can go here and change these because these are all type parameters. So we can go with, let's go with 5 feet. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We've got a parametric kiosk here, Curtis Hill, the Balkan architect. This is what they call a K. Oh, I don't remember the name of it. I think it's a K27 or something they use overseas. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Thanks again, and everybody bye and be safe.